This video is about how to check and improve accessibility of the contents of your course through Canvas. So first, from Dashboard, go to your course. There should be an option on the left that says Ally Accessibility Report. If that option isn't showing, then you need to go down to Settings at the bottom and then click on Navigation, and this thing, Ally Accessibility Report, it might be in the unavailable or disabled section. So let's say it was disabled, you would find it somewhere down here. So you'd need to enable it for it to pop up here in the top section, and then click Save. Then it should now become available. It might not be at the top, but there it is, Accessibility Report. So if you click that, it'll scan all the documents and pages on your course and it'll give you a score. So 81% is fairly good. It gives you a breakdown of the types of document and it tells you a few issues that you can fix. So the easiest ones to fix will probably be here, an image that doesn't have a description. Let's start with this, 25%. It's an image, it's missing a description, it's just the thumbnail for the course. So we can add a description, we can call it the module thumbnail, or you can just designate it as decorative, in which case no description is necessary. Okay, so that's gone up to 100%. And you can do that within Canvas, or you can do that on your computer to try to make as many of the pages and documents as accessible as possible. Okay, so this all comes under this accessibility report. So the score has gone up from 81% to 84%, and it gives you a breakdown of what needs to be done to each page. So some of these, they're simply legacy documents that have been scanned or downloaded and not prepared with particular care. So here the document is missing a title. Okay, so let's see if we can fix that. We've got a reactive spectrum analyzer. Or here, 5%. Let's see if we can improve this one. So it's got a 5% score. It does have a title, but the way in which the document was prepared meant it didn't have a title. So if it's read by some kind of reader, e-reader, for people who have difficulty reading PDFs, it won't come up as having a title. So that is significant. You can simply type your title in the box. I'm going to copy and paste, apply the fix, and see if that makes a difference. Okay, so it said well done, but it hasn't told me the score. Oh, it's gone up to 95%. So that's how you would treat that. It all comes under this setting called Ally Accessibility Report on the left. If that isn't enabled, you can enable it through settings here at the bottom. So I've improved the score for the document, but the score's gone down to 81%. That's strange, but that's how you would do it. Okay, and you can go through all your documents page by page. So spend as much or as little time as you think this deserves.